Hello guys, good afternoon, good morning. For today's tutorial, ayan, i-resolve natin tong issue na to dito sa Google Payment na kung saan required ni Google o ni YouTube yung Singapore tax. So, bago ang lahat, don't forget to subscribe and share this video para sa information ng lahat. Ayan. So, ang So to avoid delays ko, no, your payout and to make sure the right amount of tax is withheld, make sure to provide your Singapore tax info as soon as possible. So ano ba tong Singapore tax na to? Ba't required tayo? So ayan, siguro hindi ko lang sure kasi wala namang details. Ito lang sabi, adding your tax info will help determine the incorrect withholding amount applied to you. So Google may be legally required to collect your Singapore tax info because it is where you earn income or receive pay. Siguro ito yung mga ads na nanggagaling mismo sa country na yan. So further we do, ayan, supply na natin yung hinihingi. So punta lang tayo dito sa add tax, syempre. Add tax na lang tayo. So start. So ganun lang ang gagawin natin. Napaka-simple lang. Isusupply lang natin. So, dito sa, may business type, tingnan mo lang individual. Individual. So, you have a permanent establishment in Singapore, lagyan mo lang ng no. Yan. Para ma-make sure na wala ka talagang any activity sa Singapore para hindi ka maanohan ng yung tax. So, parang ano lang to, checklist din para rin magdoble-doble yung pagbawas ng iyong tax. Lolo, are you registered Singapore? No. So, itong optional. So, huwag na yan. Are you eligible for tax? Are you eligible? Tingnan natin. Okay. Yes. Yes, tax inception. So, dito naman tayo, Philippines. Are you Philippines? Select document type. So pag mag-yes ka, kailangan mong mag-fill up ng mga information. So dito na tayo sa no. Sa no tayo. Puro tayo no guys, sa puro no. So para walang maraming cheche, ureche. Are you eligible for other exemption of lower tax?